A spherical planet has a mass mp and diameter dp. A particle of mass m falling freely near the surface of this planet will experience an acceleration due to gravity equal to. So Rm is to find out the value of acceleration due to gravity in terms of diameter. So we know that g is equal to gm divided by r square, and we can write this diameter is nothing but radius 2 times of radius. So we can write this as gm divided by r. Instead of this r, we can take it as something but d divided by 2 the whole square. So this is going to be gm into or divided by d square divided by 4, or you can write as 4gm divided by d square. So this is a value of acceleration due to gravity near the surface of planet, and acceleration is not depends upon the mass of object, it depends upon mass of planet.